Hello everybody, this is Tom from Kantech, one of the apps engineers and specialists of Kantech. Today we're going to install our KT-1. So let's start off. This is the KT-1 surface mount that you get. This is the box, and we're going to open it up like this. And it comes with the KT-1 itself, which we're going to see in a second. It also comes with the KT-1 back bracket and terminal block, which we're also going to install and use. And it comes with a standard screwdriver accessory kit and standoffs and terminals and everything you need. All the screws, everything I need. So I'm going to use my Kantech screwdriver. And the first thing I do is unclip the terminal block like this. And I physically install it on my wall. In this case, I have my demo board with the actual screws, wires across, and then physically install the physical 2 screws to hold. And then I take the second screw and I place it. As you guys can see, the screws can be aligned to be leveled and properly done. So this is the terminal block for the KT-1. You have your power, your reader entry, LED and buzzer, and reader exit terminals. You have your door contact and rex and spare inputs, your lock outputs, and your spare relays if you wish to use them for whatever else you need. So what we're going to do is we're going to go plug these cables. And it does take a few seconds. So what you do is you put the power on 12 volt for the reader. These are the reader terminals. Very easy to install. 1 terminal block, a few little cables, and basically we're done. And then you put your data 0 and your data 1. Then you take your network cable and you clip it on. And then you push everything through the electrical box like so. Once it's pushed in properly, you just push the terminal block in, push the actual terminal screws down, hold the terminal block in, take our KT-1, open the bag, and then pop the KT-1 from its place. This is the KT-1. You push it into the appropriate device. And look, it's powering up. It's already powered by PoE. Once you're ready, pop the cover. There's a screw at the bottom. It's a tamper screw. Nobody affects the KT-1. And then you're done. You take off the sticker to make sure it looks nice. And now your KT-1 is ready for the enrollment process. So now that the KT-1 is powered up and connected to my PoE switch, I take my enrollment finger and I hold the KT-1 touch button for 6 seconds. From there, the controllers now will be enrolled in the Kantech software and it will be ready for enrollment. On the top right here, I see that my controller is now ready to be enrolled and added in my Kantech system. I click on the K with a 1, which represents how many controllers I have. And then I simply specify which site or connection I'm putting it into. Building 1. I name my door accordingly. Front door. And then I specify if I have a door contact or rex. Once it's done, I press finish. And then when I go to my EntraPass events, the controller has received its broadcast. From there, the controller restarts and physically will start connecting. It is normal to get a few events in the EntraPass web. Once it comes up, loop communication restored. Notice carefully the heartbeat, the actual Kantech button itself turns off. It's still working. Now the controller is communicating. I simply take my finger for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and the controller lights up. And you can see the network, you can see the heartbeat, and see how the controller is reacting. From here, if I hold it again for 3 seconds, the controller goes back to its normal paces. Now the heartbeat can be turned off or can actually be turned on and have various colors also. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the KT-1 programming.